Good morning children. I am Ramya, your science teacher. Again I am back with a revision video of food feeding habits of animals. Yes, I already taught the lesson of this chapter, like I told the lesson. So today I am going to have some small revision of this topic, and next you will be having the examination. So you will be having examination of hardly 15 to 20 marks. Okay, only 15 to 20 marks of this chapter. And what you need to, I will be giving very easy question paper to encourage you. So you will be having some fill in the blanks. Match the following. And question answers. Okay, hardly 15 to 20 marks I will be taking exam. So the bits will be like fill in the blanks, match the following and question answer. So what you need to do is, when the revision video will be coming into your mobiles, like when we uploaded in the YouTube, you just go through the chapter of this. Once again you go through this chapter in the video, and when the exam will be coming, you can answer directly and you can answer very good. So food feeding habits of animals. So what we learned in this chapter, that based on the food and food eating and the feeding habits of animals are classified into three types. Okay, like I said, herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Okay, herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Like herbivores, what animals, which type of animals will come under this group? That means they will be eating the only plants. They will be eating only plants, and for this you have to write the examples like cow, buffalo, goat, etc. Next, coming to the carnivores, these are like wild animals. What they will be doing? They will be eating the flesh of the other animals. So what kind of animals they will be coming under this group? Lion, tiger, okay, etc. Omnivores. Coming to the omnivores, what kind of food they will be eating? This group animals, like both they will be eating plants and animals as their food. So which examples will become under this? Like man, fox, crow, etc. So if you want to write more example, you can search in your books or you can search in a Google. And not only this one, I told you about the teeth. So we are talking about the food. Different kinds of food will be eaten by different types of animals. But how they are eating? They are eating with the help of their teeth. Coming to the herbivores, like plant eating, they will be having broad and sharp front teeth. And carnivores, what kind of teeth they are having? They are having the very sharp teeth. Okay, curved and sharp teeth they are having, and with the help of the teeth only they are able to tear the flesh of the animals and they can eat the flesh. So coming to the herbivores again, so they are having the chewing teeth. Chewing. In this I told one about chewing the cud. What in that? What I told, the animals like buffaloes and cows, if you keep seeing them, if you see them, they will keep on chewing something. Always their mouth will be moving. So what they will do? Whatever the food they are taking inside, and after some time they will be bringing that food into the mouth from the stomach, and they start chewing. That is nothing but the chewing the cud. For example, we can say like cow and buffaloes. That is about in the case of herbivores. And omnivores also are having the sharp teeth, sharp front teeth, and they will be using the teeth to eat different kinds of food. And not only this one, some animals do not have the teeth at all. They do not have teeth at all. So at that time, how they will be taking the food? They will be just engulfing the food, just swallowing the food. For example, snakes. Yes, snakes. And some kind of one category I told, that is nothing but the rodents. Which group will come under these rodents, like rats, squirrels, okay, etc. So what they will do? They will be eating the food of they will be eating the food with the help of their sharp teeth. And more what I said for you, and some animals like frog, if you take example, frog, how they will eat frog food? They are having the tongue, and some with the help of the tongue they will be having this on the tongue there is it's like sticky like gummy, so they will be catching the insects with the help of the tongue and they will be eating. And some insects also will be eating in the same way. Lizards, okay, lizards also will be eating in the same kind. And like crocodiles or alligators, what they will do? They will be eating the food when the other animals are coming. Generally they will be living in the water, right? So when the other animals coming for the water, what they do? They slowly observe and they will catch those animals and they will be eating. As they are having a very big mouth, they will be eating in that way. So this is all about the food feeding habits of animals, and I will be soon coming with the question paper, and you need to do is don't copy. Parents, here is a request to you, all the parents here, just show the video. When the revision video comes in the YouTube, you just show the video of this particular so chapter and make your child to go through that video to answer participate in the examination. And while writing the examination, please parents, please take care of your child, whether they are following the video or they are trying to answer the questions or not. And if please in reading the question paper, please help them, but don't say the answers. Let them write by their own and we can test their knowledge. Generally in school we teachers will be testing the knowledge of your kids, but now time to test your child by your own. So show the videos before the exam, and I hope you will be honest, you will be genuine in writing the examination. All the best, get ready for the exam.